Hi guys, I'm Shikha
I'm Mona.
and welcome to our pod What the Gap. Well, what are we talking about today?
बेटा फेस ऑफ कर रही है ना मुझसे. क्या फेस ऑफ? हाँ, मसाला चाय और माचा में क्या ही कंपैरिजन है. तू सोच, मसाला चाय हैज़ बीन देयर फॉर एजेस एंड कब पीना है तुझे? सुबह उठते ही, आँख खुलते ही, ब्रेकफास्ट के साथ, बारिश आए तो साथ, फ्रेंड्स आए तो पी लो. माचा क्या? When do you have matcha, right?
Matcha is classy, it's trendy, it's Japanese tea, has calming properties.
But the thing is, masala chai is, the Gen Z is like masala chai, right? They have been there for, I'm supporting the families, maa, bacche, always there for everybody, emotionally supportive. And yeah, Gen Z, total delulu, man, total delulu.
See, we believe in Gen Z is independent, is overpowering. We care for ourselves first, then is when we can take care of others.
Is it like the airplane? Oxygen mask पहले मेरे मुंह पे फिर दूसरों के पे लगाए.
हम उसको अब सीरियसली लेने लग गए.
Too much serious ले रहे हो मेरे ख्याल से. माँ बाप कहाँ है? माँ, I don't care. Sleeping late at night, girl. सुबह कितने बजे होती है वैसे? 2 बजे?
नहीं, we do get up at 8 a.m. After all, Pilates class काफी महंगी पड़ती है.
Oh yeah. That is important, right? Pilates. Show up in the Pilates. Have the nice workout clothes,
Exactly.
right? That is very important.
Exactly. आप कैसे अपना हेल्थ को ध्यान रखते थे? क्या आप यूनिक करते थे?
बेटा सिंपल खाना खाते थे घर का, राइट? माँ बाप ने जो बनाया है, टेबल पे जो आया है, वो खाइए शांति से, आराम से. नो चिक चिक, नो बक बक. हैव दैट. नॉट लाइक यू गाइज. खाना रखा है टेबल पे, उधर से घंटी बज रही है. क्या हुआ है? स्विगी, जोमैटो, व्हाट फूड? पास्ता,
We
पिज्जा.
don't like to trouble you now. We are independent. We like ordering.
अगेन बैक टू दैट, राइट? तभी पिलाटे ज्यादा करने पड़ते,
वो
राइट?
तो है. पर योगा, एटलीस्ट हम योगा हा करके नहीं करते पार्क में. जो दूसरों को भी हम डिस्टर्ब नहीं करते.
वो तो सबसे बढ़िया है. खुद तो करिए, दूसरों को भी हंसाइए और सबको सुबह जगाइए.
दूसरों को जगाइए. अलार्म, एप्पल वॉच पहनिए. स्लीप साइकिल ट्रैक होगी, वो खुद ही आपको
क्यों वेस्ट द एनर्जीज, राइट? व्हाई चार्ज अलार्म द एप्पल वॉच?
पढ़ सकते हो तो व्हाई एप्पल वॉच?
Yeah, exactly. Why waste energy, man?
Yeah.
सुबह सुबह अपने आप रौनक मेला लगाइए, हाँ, ताज़ी हवा खाइए, ओपन में जाके योगा करिए. What you guys like do that? स्टूडियो में जाना है and all that. Why? Freshness तो वहीं से है.
It's just not, my chakras have to align to be doing yoga at a calm studio with some good relaxing music. I can't hear uncles ha in between. I can't concentrate. I'm sorry.
हमारे चक्रा तो एक थप्पड़ वप्पड़ से ठीक हो जाता है. What chakras are you talking about?
God. But okay, let's talk about some khana, right? Like, how was khana back then? Was it very simple? Was it like complicated? Were there many options at home?
नहीं भाई, दाल चावल सब्जी एंड जिस दिन डोसा बन जाए इट वाज अ ट्रीट. नहीं तो
Oh my God, dosa was a treat?
या ऑफ कोर्स. हु वाज कुकिंग देन, राइट? मम्मी घर में बनाने वाली थी, तो कोई मेड्स नहीं होते थे भाई. सो aloo pakoda and bread rolls were a treat, of course, and that was also on Sundays only, not every day.
Oh, that's tough. I can't imagine eating dal chawal roti and for 7 days of a week.
Seriously? Try it. You would not need those keto diets there.
Okay, that's a burn, huh?
That's a burn.
Okay, but still, we have so many options, so many, we have tried international options, we have Japanese sushi, we have Korean ramen, we have burrito bowls. Like, इंडिया में बैठे बैठे मैं सारी दुनिया का खाना खा पा रही हूँ इस टाइम. सो इजंट दैट
हम उसी में खुश थे ना. कहते हैं यू हैव टू बी काम, राइट, अबाउट व्हाट यू ईट. अब कहाँ है? इतना सब कुछ होते हुए भी कितना, आई मीन, वेयर आर यू सैटिस्फाइड, राइट? वी वर जस्ट सैटिस्फाइड विद द दाल चावल रोटी, राइट? And people are coming, the dietitians are coming back to that only, right? Desi khao,
You're right, actually.
local khao, seasonal khao. हम वही खाते थे.
ऑर्गेनिक खाना लेकिन बहुत महंगा आता है. It is too costly.
हमारे पास कॉन्सेप्ट नहीं था ऑर्गेनिक का. We were just like, okay, यही जो सब्जी आई है.
हाँ, अब ऑर्गेनिक खाना महंगा आ गया because adulterated food is so much around that अब असली खाना एक्चुअली महंगा है. That's the bad part of the society.
Well, that's, you know, changes in the environment and
Yeah.
everything. That can't be helped by anybody, right?
हाँ.
But कभी सब्जी मंडी जाओ, देखिए कभी सब्जी मंडी.
Zepto is my sabji mandi.
Set. Then you pick your veggies yourself. You'll be happy with whatever you get, right? Yeah, that's also another.
That's a skill actually. It's a learned skill.
Oh, of
to
course.
Pick the right vegetables.
Oh, of course. We've learned it from बचपन से. मम्मा के साथ सब्जी बेटा पकड़ जान, टमाटर चुनो, भिंडी चुनो. तो हम सीख गए वो सब करते करते मम्मी पापा के
काफी
साथ.
learned home skills है जो शायद हम lack कर रहे हैं इस जमाने में.
Totally, absolutely. You know, the people don't know what is okra and what is bhindi.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Okra is the English name of
Bhindi.
right? Yeah.
Yes.
I'm just contemplating. Okay. Perfect.
Yeah. So exercise इसलिए कम करनी पड़ती थी क्योंकि सब्जी मंडी जाते थे थैला उठा के लाते थे तो वेट ट्रेनिंग ऑलरेडी हो जाती थी. You get that?
Yeah. Gym without the gym. right?
Without gym, yes.
Yeah.
And moving, your cardio हो गया तुम्हारा, weight training हो गया, सब कुछ कवर होता था उसमें. I mean, didn't have to do
आटे
that.
की चक्की से आटा पिसवा के लाना and all of that, right?
Yeah.
And it does not even need a.
So our
personal
stress
trainer.
levels was keeping the grocery in tab, having the, you know, वो monthly लाना है, जाना है, ये हमारे stress levels होते थे. रोज के fashion was not our stress, you know.
Yeah.
Clothes तो नहीं था
But
basic.
how can I just go in any outfit to the gym, right?
Yeah.
Like, I mean, gym के कपड़े is more.
Oh, are you telling me? Oh my God, the fashion in gym itself is a big thing, right?
Yeah, absolutely.
And the
Like you're
shoes,
walking in-
what company are you wearing, right? Does that define the person he is? Like,
No, but I definitely know he comes from a good
family.
and he's definitely here to kill it. He's not the ones जो phone चलाते treadmill पे चलते हैं. So that's how I can see that he's serious about this stuff, right?
wow.
So, yeah,
So
I
buying
mean-
good clothes for
Yeah,
expensive
definitely.
clothes makes a difference.
It actually, I think Gen Z takes fashion very seriously.
Yeah.
It's just not a piece of clothing that you wear.
Correct,
It's also
correct.
what you
tattered
what you want to
jeans
portray, right?
or loose t-shirts. Does it count as fashion?
I don't know, how do you see oversized t-shirts? What's your view on that though?
हमारे fitted suits, fitted blouses and सारे चलते थे. I don't know what you're talking about, right?
Fatty jeans, आप बुलाते हो. For us, it's, you know, like ripped jeans. It's a fashion.
भाई,
They're coming back.
how does that classify? मतलब वो कौन से क्लास के बंदे होते हैं? आप जैसे आपने बोला tight fitted clothes in gym reflects a good this thing, right? तो वो फटे हुए कपड़ों का क्या?
बाहर तो फटे हुए पहन सकते हैं ना. जिम में आपको वैसे पहनने. बाहर you wear your ripped jeans, oversized shirts.
नहीं, but what class is that then?
That's a good class, sir.
That's
you need to dress according to where you go.
So is
That's
that
the whole
urban
thing.
rich class, is it?
So yeah, I mean, that's a different thing that oversized t-shirts को मेरे पापा किसी के मांगे हुए कपड़े बुलाते हैं. But can't help it, right? I mean, this
और
is
ऊपर से पता है आजकल क्या बोलते हैं कि इतने अलमारी में कपड़े होते हैं कि गिर जाते हैं और ओकेजन के टाइम पे I still don't have clothes, man. I still don't have clothes. And then they'll say, and they justify that कि मामा ये तो चाहिए, but we'll buy thrift because we believe in sustainability. भाई जेन जी है. हम तो अपने पुराने कपड़े कजिन्स के कपड़े पहन लेते. वो थ्रिफ्ट होता था कि नहीं होता?
कपड़े.
या भाई कजिन से बोरो किए कपड़े पहन लो, वो थ्रिफ्ट ही हो गए ना बेसिकली.
नहीं, आजकल हम बोरो तो करते हैं पर हम वापस भी दे देते हैं. एंड ऑल्सो हम थ्रिफ्टिंग के नाम पे सस्ते स्टोर्स जाते हैं पर इतनी शॉपिंग कर लेते हैं वहां से कि वो थ्रिफ्टिंग की इक्विवेलेंट बिल का कुछ होता नहीं है.
और सस्टेनेबिलिटी भी तो गई डैब, राइट? इट्स डंपिंग ऑफ द क्लोथ्स इन द वर्ल्ड, राइट?
I think sustainable is just like an urban poor concept.
Again, see, yeah, but at least you tell people we are conscious about it,
Yeah,
right?
absolutely. You tell people that we are conscious, we believe in renewing clothes and all, but ultimately, I don't know. What's your stance on it?
हमारी तो किताबें भी पुरानी होती थी. चल बेटा, तेरे के तेरे भाई की अब तेरा भाई
यार,
पढ़ेगा
और-
इससे, और किताबें तो छोड़ो, स्कूल बैग, एवरीथिंग वाज शेयर्ड, लाइक ओके नाउ द नेक्स्ट जनरेशन गेट्स इट.
And they used to take it with pride.
I used to love it because उसमें नोट्स होते थे, पता है शिखा? Have you ever seen that? पुरानी किताबों में
ये तो-
cousins के नोट्स बने होते थे, तो already you had the stuff there.
That's cool. I didn't know that.
Yeah, that was-
मतलब basically मुझे पढ़ाई ज्यादा, वो 150 पेजेस की बुक मुझे बेसिक से 10-20 पेजेस.
तुम्हारे नोट्स ऑलरेडी बने मिल जाते थे, right? Yeah.
बट अब हम चैट जीपीटी के जमाने में आ गए, उसी बुक का वर्जन निकालते हैं, उसको बोलते हैं 100 वर्ड्स में समरी दे दे. So yeah, that's our version of notes.
I don't know. I'm not going to get there because ChatGPT is another topic in itself, right?
Yeah, well, that is. But okay, let's maybe see what are the major striking differences, right? Okay, what do you think about movies, TV? How was TV? How was television in back then?
हाय, क्या दिन याद दिला देते थे शिखा. हमारा तो चित्रहार वॉज वन ऑफ द फेवरेट प्रोग्राम्स. एवरीबडी वुड सिट, जो रात का टाइम पे बैठ के एक स्लॉट में आना होता था, सारी दुनिया बैठ जाती थी. एंड अभी तक याद है तबस्सुम जो बोलती थी, तो
What's Chitra? Sorry.
Tabassum. So Tabassum was one of the very pretty anchors and she was there for ages and she's
Okay.
जो ये पॉडकास्ट है ना, ये वो ही करती थी, वो गाने सुनाती थी उसके साथ में.
Okay.
Yeah,
That's
so
interesting.
ये नया कॉन्सेप्ट चल रहा है पॉडकास्ट,
हाँ.
बट वो तो तब से चल रहा है ना.
हाँ, basically अब गप्पों का अगला version is podcast,
Yeah.
right?
But it's been going on for a while,
Yeah,
right?
yeah,
In a
it
different
is.
way, of course. It is a different.
But wasn't it boring? Same 3 channel, same 3 show. If आज भी सोनी मैक्स पे सूर्यवंशम 3 बजे आती है. It's the same movie on
Of
the
course,
same
it was.
channel.
But imagine there used to be a curfew when Ramayana used to play on Sundays. नाश्ता खत्म, सब कुछ खत्म, बैठ जाओ. बल्कि मार्केट्स भी साइलेंट, कर्फ्यू हो जाता था. एवरीबडी वाज लाइक जस्ट ग्लूड टू द टीवी.
So team bonding, family bonding.
टोटली व्हाट यू मस्ट हैव.
इतने सस्ते में हो रही है यार.
Yeah.
पहले अब इतने पैसे खर्च करके corporates have to actually host an event to do team bonding. For family bonding, it's the Rakhis and the Diwalis of the world. that
Yes,
has to
just
bring
4
the family
festivals in the year, yeah, when you get together with
Get
your
together.
family, and
Yeah.
that's a big thing, right? We are doing this. It's a family celebration. It's put it on your Instagram page. Wow, we're doing this event. But ये तो हर संडे था हमारा, right?
Oh, that's nice.
जैसे तुमने कोविड में फील किया होगा, right?
हाँ, actually, let's talk briefly about that. COVID was the actual time जहाँ Gen Z, Gen Y, Gen X सब एक साथ था.
Yes, and that is the feel that we had all our growing up years,
Everybody
right?
has their own stories to share. I think the best part I remember was learning so many things. Firstly, learning to be at home 24/7 with parents, with siblings, with all the kind of, all like you have to bear it all. Like right from
Yes,
the morning madness.
and you couldn't escape that.
Yeah,
Sorry
you
to say.
can't. And seeing Ramayan was the actual cue. We
It's
all
back
used to sit
again,
together
right?
to watch
Ramayana.
it,
That's
yeah.
why I think they got the cue के इस वापस वही करते हैं because ये वही ज़माना है, right?
Absolutely. I mean, that was a brief period of time that brought us all together actually under one roof.
And actually, even the environment was the back same time, right? But you could see the blue skies and
Let's maybe talk about romance, right? Like how was it back then? How was things? Like today everything is fast paced, not much of patience. Like at least I don't have patience. How was it that back then?
वो तो तुम एहसास भी नहीं कर सकते. जो हमारा एक फ़ोन कॉल होती थी, वो फ़ोन रखा होता था लैंडलाइन का, लैंडलाइन, राइट? एंड दैट टू इन द सेंटर ऑफ अ रूम.
Oh my god.
And people sitting there and a ghanti bajni, which is a cue because it's a missed call from your boyfriend,
Oh.
and the next call is yours and you have to pounce it before anybody else reaches it, right?
Oh my god.
And also be careful कि कहीं extension पे कोई तुम्हें सुन ना रहा हो.
Oh shit, no privacy.
No privacy, man. No privacy. It is like a public thing, and how you were, talking.
I don't want my conversations to be
Codes.
heard.
There were codes for everything, right?
that's
मैं डॉग को घुमाने लेके आ रही हूँ, तू आजा. So yeah, dog walk was
Was
another.
it कि Harshit becomes Harshita on the phone?
Yeah.
Was it that?
Yeah, mom. हमें कॉलेज की पढ़ाई करने जाना है, so
extra classes हैं आज.
right.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's tough, yeah.
Yeah.
असली प्यार तो पिछले जमाने में
हाँ,
ही
अब
होता था.
रात के 2 बजे तक हम वो नहीं कर सकते थे कि भाई चैटिंग चल रही है, वो
जैसे
सब.
आप उस एक फोन कॉल बजने का वेट करते हैं, आज हम टाइपिंग का वेट करते हैं. टाइपिंग हो रहा है पर मैसेज
हाँ,
नहीं आ रहा है. अब क्या लिख रहा हूँ?
कितना सेकंड है और कितनी देर में जवाब दे. That is also right.
Yeah.
मैसेज तो आ गया. Shall I wait? Shall I breathe? Shall I do this? Then we
Should I
respond.
just ask my friend what to reply? Or should I ask my best friend chat GPT to reply?
There, ChatGPT is quite handy in the right? ये मैंने realize किया है कि people around me are doing this, asking ChatGPT, right?
Yeah, that is true. That is true. What are anything else that you recall which was strikingly different? And
Of course, the songs, man. Romance तो उस जमाने में था. क्या गाने होते थे, right? लग जा
Anything-
गले,
Oh my God.
पल पल दिल के पास. और
Not it too slow.
हाँ, तो तुमने क्या किया? रीमिक्स करके फास्ट पेस कर दिया, राइट? हमसे सांस नहीं ली जा रही है, बहुत स्लो चल रहा है. इज इट?
हाँ.
यही चल रहा
नहीं,
है.
सांस नहीं, इतनी देर में आपके एक गाने में हमारे 3 खत्म हो जाते हैं.
हाँ, और उन्हीं के रीमिक्स बना के सुन रहे हो.
सस्टेनेबिलिटी, राइट? वी आर सस्टेनेबल.
Right.
वी बिलीव इन सेविंग मनी.
मूवीज को ही देख लो यार. हमारे जमाने में क्या नाम रखते थे. मैंने प्यार किया.
मतलब इट्स जमाना ऑफ तू झूठी मैं मक्कार.
या क्या मतलब, लुक एट द कॉन्ट्रास्ट मैन. लुक एट द कॉन्ट्रास्ट. हम तो प्यार में डूबे मारे जा रहे थे लड़कियां. ब्लाइंडेड.
नहीं, आजकल तुम डूब जाओ, हम नहीं कहीं जा रहे. दैट्स द रियलिटी. तुम्हें जहाँ जाना है जाओ. सॉरी.
Eventually they get married anyways, right?
All the couples are getting married eventually.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's one striking difference, right?
No, but कुत्ते ज्यादा प्यारे हैं.
हाँ, वो तो है ना. वो लॉयल्टी अब आजकल क्या कर रही है, इंसानों में कम है तो क्या ही कर सकते हैं. दिस इज द फैक्ट, राइट?
मैंने देखा द लेटेस्ट ट्रेंड. बच्चे तो है नहीं, कुत्ते पाल लो और बिल्लियाँ पाल लो. That's another trend which is going on, right?
Nowadays people want to become dog moms.
Yeah, and planned parents, dog mom, cat
Dog moms.
What?
आपने अगर किसी ने सुना, like you know, in suppose in your generation, in your friend circle, somebody hears that I've heard of this person who wants to become a dog mom or a cat mom. What's your first thought that crosses your mind?
They out of their mind. What? What are they talking about? कुत्ते तो हमने पाले ही है. ऐसे कोई कौन सी बड़ी बात है. मॉम तो मैं नहीं बनना चाहूंगी उसका. I'm fine. Why would I do that, right? And आजकल कुत्तों के दिन पलट गए हैं. वैसे मैं तो सच बताऊं, क्या ग्रूमिंग होती है. The amount people are spending on it, like, oh my God, it's out of my budget. My salary के packages के बाहर होता है जो grooming cost है.
Yeah, they are expensive.
हमारे कुत्ते तो घर में ही साबुन लगाकर हम नहला देते थे और ये ले मटल छीक के खा ले तू. यही
Oh. Well, I can't speak with experience because I'm not a pet owner, but I do have friends who have pets. It's expensive to keep pet in a good manner. But yeah, that's how trends are changing, right? Eventually, I don't know क्या बच्चे से हम dog पे आ गए. What is the next? I don't know.
प्लांट्स. अब प्लांट्स को भी गाना.
Plants home is also a thing.
प्लांट पेरेंट.
Plant parent, yeah.
या हमारे पास हमेशा ही प्लांट्स थे.
बिना बोलने वाला बच्चा हो. That is strange.
That is right. No, I mean plants तो हमने हमेशा ही रखे थे. ऐसे तो पता नहीं था.
मॉम की तरह नहीं देखा.
Yeah, I didn't know I was a parent of the plant. Like, okay.
ऐसे तो मैं कितनी चीजों के पेरेंट बन जाऊँ.
But would you not get envious if your mother said I am a plant parent and you would say भाई मैं बच्चा हूँ तुम्हारा. कौन plants?
Yeah, I would get envious for sure.
Right?
मेरी प्रायोरिटी अब मेरे को और पौधे को बराबर थोड़ी कर सकते हैं. But yeah, in terms of झंझट, plant is less versus. My mom would definitely prefer the plant.
No way. I don't agree. You're such a cutie pie. No way. I don't think so.
But let's talk about some career options. Oh my God, that's a topic, right? क्या होता था.
तो हमारे तो देखो बहुत सिंपल था. मम्मी पापा डिसाइड कर देते तुम इंजीनियर बनोगे या डॉक्टर बनोगे या टीचर बन जाओ. लेडीज़ का बहुत सिंपल था, टीचर्स बन जाओ बिकॉज यूल बी एबल टू मैनेज होम एंड दिस थिंग, राइट. या चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट बहुत ज़्यादा, बट यू नो कॉर्पोरेट्स आर so long. I don't think women were thinking in those terms that time so much. Of course we have grown and we've done whatever we had to do, but handling the home and kids was also a major thing, which I don't know आप कैसे करते हैं यार. I think women are handling too much at a time, right, these days.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, career options are totally, I mean, wide, which is a great thing. I mean, we have
Yes,
explored
it is a
so
great
many-
thing. Yeah.
We have explored so many options, right? From being influencer, we have amazing pilots, we have Air Force pilots, we have I don't think there's a profession where women are
Not reaching anymore.
I
yeah,
mean,
and I'm very proud of that. Yeah,
I mean,
feel
it's
very proud about that.
amazing.
Yeah,
I mean, we can do it all.
but
right?
haggling too much also at times, right? Stress
Yeah,
level
sometimes
increase,
It
right?
happens, but that I think the part of balancing, right, the skill of balancing rather, is amazingly well built within a woman. I feel
It is,
Something-
but it's getting tougher
it's getting tougher. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, I agree to that.
because you can't handle everything. हाथ तो
Yeah.
इतना ही है ना, तुम कितना ही क्या,
definitely.
right?
But then I think that's how the concept of breaks are now even taken seriously, right?
Incorporate,
corporates,
yes.
Even if you're like a freelancer or like an influencer or like a self-employed.
Yeah,
job.
travel blogger,
Yeah,
food
yeah.
blogger. That's
Everybody
an
does it.
occupation I never heard about, right?
Yeah.
हाँ, एक और नया
वो नहीं होते तो
है
आपको
dog.
next destination कैसे पता लगता कहाँ जाना है, कौन से होटल में रुकना है?
Yeah, exactly. ये तो पता ही नहीं था ना.
Google इतना नहीं बता पाएगा जितना एक ट्रैवल ब्लॉगर बता पाएगा.
या भाई इंस्टा इज अनदर बिग थिंग. या बल्कि वो तो छोड़ दे, एक डॉग वॉकर भी प्रोफेशन बन गया आजकल.
Dog walker इंडिया में
है
profession?
है भाई है,
Oh, okay.
पार्ट टाइम है बट है. पीपल डू
Interesting.
दैट, राइट.
जो बेसिकली मम्मी पापा दादाजी करते थे
वो भी एक प्रोफेशन
वो
हो
एक
गया.
प्रोफेशन बन गया
Yeah.
कि जनरल इवनिंग वॉक पे चलो हम ले चलते हैं अपने कुत्ते को. That has become a profession. Are they getting paid well? That's my question.
I mean, that's a
Hopefully.
part-time job, not a full-time, I guess.
Hopefully, yeah.
Yeah.
That's cool.
But if people are taking it up, then there must be something money in it, right?
Yeah, that's cool. I think the importance of life plus work plus your overall mental being, health being, all of it is taken with so much consideration, with so much importance. Do you think it was back then also very important?
भाई स्ट्रेस तो हमारे कॉन्सेप्ट था नहीं ना. स्ट्रेस का कॉन्सेप्ट कहाँ था. मम्मी पापा के साथ बैठे हैं, वही बातें कर रहे, इतनी बातें होती थी कि तुम्हारे पास कुछ और तो था नहीं ना सोचने के लिए. यू वुड नॉट बी, you can't be lonely, you couldn't be thinking about your own, busy with your own thoughts. इतना एक था पर से इधर, एक इधर से, दिमाग सेंटर. कोई मतलब नहीं है यार. इतनी थेरेपी का कॉन्सेप्ट कहाँ चल रहा था, बताओ मुझे.
तो बेसिकली मम्मी पापा से बात करना was therapy, is it?
नो दैट वॉज नॉट थेरेपी. फ्रेंड्स थे वहाँ पे. ऐसा नहीं है कि फ्रेंड्स नहीं थे.
अच्छा, तो मतलब
बट अगर ज़्यादा कॉम्प्लिकेशन हो जाए और मम्मी को तुम बोलो कि मम्मी मुझे अकेलापन लग रहा है, इधर से एक पढ़ना उधर से एक पढ़ना, जाके किताब पढ़ लो और चुपचाप से बैठ जाओ, तो सब ठीक आ जाता था. फिर वो लोनलीनेस चली जाती थी, किताब पढ़ी थी.
Yeah.
सीरियसली एजुकेशन वॉज टेकन वेरी सीरियसली बैक देन ऑल्सो. ऐसा नहीं है, बहुत माँ बाप बड़े फोकस थे कि बनो इंजीनियर बनो, तुम कुछ करो. ऐसा नहीं है.
तो पहले मतलब loneliness was not really a concept, or maybe not even seen through. Something which was maybe existing in some part of the world, but
It
not
was. I'm sure it must be existing somewhere. Some people must be feeling it, but इतना नहीं prevalent था ना. वो तो अब तो हर दूसरा बंदा बोलता है यार I'm taking therapy, I'm having issues, I'm having anxiety. ये सारी भाई ये word अभी नए हैं. Still new for us, and not that we don't go through it, but never focused on, right? It was like life lessons, ma'am.
Normal है ना, अब घर से ही तो बचने के लिए थेरेपी जा रहे हैं.
My life happens,
It
man.
happens. I mean, it's not. I'm not saying that it's compulsory कि सबके घर में ही issues हो, but obviously everybody has their past, everybody has their current life में something. Some come with their relationship baggage. Everybody
तो
has.
क्या लगता है
issues
टू
and
मच
their
इन्फॉर्मेशन से भी ज्यादा कुछ हो रहा है क्या? ओवरवेलमिंग हो रहा है ना?
I think so. Overloading of information is too much. I feel so. Someday, so what I do, what hack works for me is when I see lots of So my information source is only Instagram.
Okay.
It's solely based on Instagram
Bye.
algorithm. It shows me good news, it shows me bad news, it shows me knowledgeable news, it shows me redundant trends, it shows me everything. I think that's my go-to, for all the information. But some days when I feel too overwhelmed with information, what I do is I do like a social media detox where I like close all the notifications, and for 2 days I just don't check Instagram. I talk to my friends generally on the phone, or I just go and meet them directly. And yeah, I think that 2 दिन का detox से I'm back to
I see that's the thing. My therapy always is a cup of chai, masala chai with my friends. And in the mornings, best thing is in the morning when there's nothing else in your mind, go have a walk with a friend and have a masala chai. Matcha nahi, masala chai. By the way, this conversation can keep going on, right? ये बहस तो जारी रहेगी. मगर what's your take on this? Please write in your comments कि कौन गुरु है, Gen X के Gen Z? ये आप बताइए हमारे को.
माचा तो माचा ही रहेगी, आई फील. बट आई मीन सुबह एस्थेटिक स्टूडियो में जाकर पिलाटेस करना, उसके बाद माचा पीना, स्मूदी बोल खाना, आई थिंक that's what is a cue and a detox for me.
Bhai, that's having a big pocket then.
No, हर चीज का cheaper alternative होता है.
हाँ मगर
I'm not going to spend much money.
मगर पता है Gen Z का क्या होता है? They'll say I'm broke and then they order a 400 रुपए का matcha.
I think the conversation goes on, and we will, we'll keep coming back to this conversation. But hope you liked our episode. Please do give us a like, thumbs up, subscribe, share this episode, and let us know what you want to hear next from us. And we'll see you shortly. Bye.
Yes. Bye bye.